What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Pixel 9 Pro XL on deck. And shout out to the good folks over at CASETiFY. They actually sent me some accessories to check out for this device. They sent me some of their impact cases with different designs and also some Magsafe accessories. So let's go ahead and get straight into this case video. Now, once again, shout out to CASETiFY, guys. One thing I like about CASETiFY is when they send you cases out, it's some of the dopest packaging on the market. It almost looks like a Christmas gift. So definitely, this would be a good gift for a techie that like different type of cases and different type of designs for their phones. Looks really good. But first, let's just talk about the impact case. Now, all of these are impact cases, guys, with different type of designs on them. As you can see, I've got the camera design. You know, I went straight for this, being that this is a Pixel video, and the Pixel is all about the camera. Now, with CASETiFY cases, they definitely recycle, and they try to recycle as many cases as possible, being as green as possible. That's dope. One thing I love about these cases is this camera ring. Pixels, to me, are top tier aesthetics, and I've always loved the camera ring around the CASETiFY cases where they got the CASETiFY brand. I feel like that's top tier aesthetics also. It just would be a great fire combination, at the same time providing a raised lip. We take a look at the size. We got a nice TPU on the sides. The back of the case is a hard polycarbonate on the sides, a nice thick TPU, which offers a button press with slits and a lanyard. Now, if you take a look, you see that this case is made from recycled phone cases, which is very dope. Again, going very green. We take a look on the inside, and we definitely got Magsafe powers going on. So that's nice. That's dope. You always want Magsafe powers going on these days because it's just a lot of Magsafe accessories and charging, and you can include your Pixel by just picking up a Magsafe case. And look at the insides. As you can see, they got these ridges, guys, on the inside of the case on the frame. This is drop protection. This is absolute top tier drop absorption. So not only a really customized, good looking case with Magsafe, but also a protective case in a drop. Take a look at the bottom, all cutouts on deck. Take a look at the top, all cutouts are on deck. So this is how your Pixel 9 Pro XL will look in the CASETiFY case with the camera design on the back. But let's take a look at this camera ring. As you can see, a raised up lip. So if you drop this on the flat surface, guys, the actual lip will take an impact before the actual camera bar, because you don't want to crack this glass. You crack this glass and your pictures will be messed up. Like I said, nice slits on the button. We're getting an easy tactile button press. All cutouts are matching. And also around the front, you got a nice raised lip. The raised lip protrudes past the screen, guys, just in case you drop this on the flat surface. The case will take the impact and steady your display, which might save you from a crack or a shattered display. So before we get into the other designs, I'm going to show y'all the two Magsafe accessories, guys, real quick, so we can test the Magsafe strength on these magnets, on these CASETiFY impact cases. First Magsafe accessory is the Magsafe wallet. Just take a look at the back. We're going to pull the wallet out like so. So here you go. We got a nice Magsafe wallet, and wow, shout out to CASETiFY. They actually put my initials on there. As you can see, CASETiFY branding. Then they got your boy BG initials, so very dope. Shout out to them for that. Now, very dope wallet in a leather or faux leather type material. Looks really good. Look like you could put a card or two in there. And I mean, just very personalized, so that's definitely dope. Also, we got the CASETiFY snappy card holder, and this Magsafe compatible. Also, easy and strong magnetic snap, compatible with Magsafe compact size. So basically a mirror, but at the same time, like a kickstand. As you can see, CASETiFY branding. You could actually use this to look at yourself, or you could use this to sit your phone up and watch some BG Tech Life. Now, I'm just using this mirror to check the Magsafe strength. As you can see, I'm only holding on to the mirror. The device is being held by the strength of the Magsafe, and it's very strong because it's not falling off. I'm shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Magsafe strength good on the CASETiFY impact cases. But also we got a dragon design which looks really dope. Everything I personally picked out, they sent out to me, and I wanted everything to match with the Obsidian Pixel 9 Pro XL. The dragon looks really dope on the back. I like this design. Again, hard polycarbonate type back, TPU sides. Then we also have the mail design. It's like fragile. It looks like mail. It's set up like, the back look like packaging. Very dope design. Matches with the Obsidian. Looks really good. And last but not least, I grabbed one with a little message on there. Life goes on. As you can see, this is transparent. You can see the Magsafe ring. Still hard polycarbonate material on the back. TPU on the sides. Looks really good aesthetically with the little message for you for the motivation. But same case, just transparent. Same build. Nice TPU size, hard polycarbonate back. But shout out to CASETiFY for sending these accessories out. Let me check them out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you want to check some of this stuff out, go to CASETiFY.com. I'm out. Peace.